Hi everyone! So OCPUD sent me some bags. They reached out to me, asked if I wanted to do a review for them, and I said of course. I love checking out new companies. It's a great way to end up finding somewhere that you may like. So let's see. They sent out this little bag right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a tiny little clear bag. That is so cute. I actually might just put this in my backpack. Like, I don't use like a regular purse. I use a backpack. Like, your little cards can fit in here. That's really cute. Like, sometimes I have like little gift cards and like business cards. I think this would be really cute to go ahead and put that in. That's really cute. Oh, you know what? You could put like a little embellishment in here. Like, I was working on these. That would fit in there. And then you can send that out to a crafty friend. Oh, I like that idea. That is such a cute idea. So I might do that. And let's see. There is this sunflower one, which I thought was really, really cute. Let me open this. I like this one a lot. I think this is really cute. It's like a fabric, like, I don't know, it reminds me of like, we had an aunt that had like old lady stuff. And that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's something like she would have, you know. So there's a zipper on top, and then it's canvas on the inside. I don't know, just like, it's giving me like childhood memories on that one. Then we have this green bag. Oh, it's green and blue flowers. That's really cute. And, oh, just a simple wish. Zipper on top. Canvas on the inside. That's cool. You know what I like about these is that you can wash them. So we're going on a trip soon, and I was thinking about I could put my products in here. And then if they happen to get messed up on our flight, I could just easily wash those out. So I usually do laundry when we're on vacation anyways, because we're usually gone for like over a week. So, oh my gosh, I just saw this one. That one is so pretty. Let's see. There's this one with the little daisy flowers on here. Another little clear one. I like these clear ones. Did anybody ever have like that clear phone back in the day? I loved mine. But that's what it kind of just reminds me of. This is a nice size right here. This would be really nice to put cosmetics in also, because this would be a really easy cleanup. This one you could just take like a wet cloth, wet towel to, and just clean it up. I think I'm going to put like my makeup brushes in here and like my foundation. Oh my gosh, this one is just gorgeous. This one is so pretty, and I am not a pink person at all. It does have pink flowers, but this is just so pretty. And then look, the little leaves right here are like a little metallic. This one's cloth again as well. That's super cute. And then here's the inside, just a canvas inside. You would definitely fill these up with Happy Mail items and send it to a crafty friend. And I'm sure that they would absolutely love it, because these are nice little bags here. This one's really cute. I like that some of the flowers are green, and then there's some that are pink, because then the leaves are this gold right here. Oh, that would have been so pretty if these green flowers were gold instead. Oh, that would be so beautiful. And even this portion of the bag still has like metallic to it as well. Not sure if you can see that little shine in there, but yeah, it's very, very shiny. And then our last little bag. Oh, it looks like a little character. Oh, look at how cute. As somebody that loves creating with beads, I so appreciate the little pull tabs right here. So the inside of this one, you could just see like there's some of the plush. There is no inside the lining like the other one had the canvas inside lining. Oh, How's this supposed to go? Oh, this way. I see. It wasn't holding it right. So this is like a little sit makeup bag. So you can see right here, this is actually the bottom. So the little feetsies are down here at the bottom. And then I guess this is his ears, his little rosy cheeks, his little cute eyes. His eyes do have little stars in them. And then it's like a little pop-up makeup bag, because then here is your handle right here. This is really, really soft. I gotta say, this is really nice and soft and like little plush. Then you have your little handle. That's cute. I kind of wish this little guy was in blue, but he is still really, really cute. I think my niece would really, really love him because she's very girly. So I think she would just love this little guy right here. But yeah, I'm loving. I can so appreciate these little pearls and rhinestone spacers on the little pull tabs. That is just so adorable. And I love his little face. I love that he has little stars in his eyes. So this is our little haul for today. I'll leave a link down below to their website. I will also link these products, and then I'll link that coupon code for you guys as well. It'll help you save 5% off of your order. All right, bye guys.